Hi friends, welcome to my Mumbai Darshan vlog series. This is going to be a video experience of my time spent in the city of Mumbai. So let's get started. This is the external view of the Novotel Hotel in Juhu, which is right next to the ocean. The location is so good that you cannot even imagine. You really need to go there to see it for yourself. Even the autos are allowed here, which is not a very common thing in Mumbai. So yes, after the security check-in, you enter the hotel. There is a small lobby, and the swimming area more than makes up for the small lobby. There are 3 reception counters, stairs, and on the left hand side there is a small waiting area with sofa and everything. So these are the 3 elevators, and on the extreme right you can see one glass wall and this glass door which takes you to the buffet or eating area. You come out of the elevator and take your key card, and not everything is provided in the hotel. Like, I think they forget providing slippers and towels and everything, so you can always ask them. Don't forget to ask them if they are not there with you. So as soon as you enter the room, on the left hand side there is this almirah, and this almirah has an iron table, but the iron is missing. There is a drawer also there. You can keep your stuff, and as you go ahead there is this mirror with a luggage keeping area. On the right there is this washroom. It has a cubicle of shower. This is shampoo, conditioner and body wash. These are fixed, you cannot remove them, and they were not even completely filled when we entered, so you can always ask them if you run out of them. This is the overhead shower or the rain shower. This is the hand shower, and those are the 3 shelves wherein you can keep your stuff. This is another mirror area which is lit by both the sides. There is one small mirror also. This is the hair dryer, 2 drawers to keep your stuff, and this is the toilet area. So it's a very basic bathroom which has everything you need. Right, also has a dustbin, and this is the second almirah which has the electric kettle wherein you can make tea, coffee, whatever you want. You can also have hot water. This is the safe which is coded. You can put your own code into it, 4-digit code. And this is the first time where I have come across a mini bar which is completely empty, and this was the first revelation while I was filming it. This is the main room. This is the table which is attached to the wall. This is the picture of the ceiling, so it makes you feel more, that you are a part of Mumbai. And this is the door which probably leads to the next room, so if you want you can have a bigger room. This is this TV, this chair, table, and it also has a sofa. Sofa is also quite big, a person can sleep into it. This is the bed which has 4 pillows, and the pillows are really high, like they're too high. And I really like this board which is built into the wall. So now we'll take you to the view from the room. So this is the room's view, the room from the view, and you can see the ocean. And mind you, this is not an ocean view room, so you can only imagine what the ocean view room must look like, because you can see the ocean right from here itself, which is not an ocean view room. And this is the curtain which you can roll up and open it, so the bathroom becomes a completely see-through thing from your room. This is the entire room, and in my next part of the Novotel Hotel I'll give you a tour of the breakfast and amazing swimming pool area which leads you to the ocean. So yes friend, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.